welcome. In this video, we are going to see the question answers of 6th Science, lesson number 11, Work and Energy. So let us begin, children. First question, fill in each blank with the appropriate term from the brackets. A bucket full of water is to be drawn from a well. Dash will be done when a force is applied to do this, because there will be a dash of water. So the answers are work and displacement. Work will be done because there will be a displacement of water. B. If a ball is dropped on the sloping roof of a house, it acquires dash and falls on the ground. That is, transformation of dash energy into dash energy takes place. Kinetic, potential, motion. These are the options given to us. It acquires motion. All the things are going to fall down, children. And what is happening in this case? Potential energy, because the object was at a position. So the potential energy is getting converted into kinetic energy. See, you might have seen some beautiful fireworks during Diwali. It is an example of transformation of dash energy into dash energy. So the answer would be chemical energy into light energy. Because children, sound option is not given to us. We do hear sound also, but that option is not here. So we are going to select the appropriate ones. Those are chemical energy into light energy. D. The solar cooker is an application of the dash energy of the sun, while solar cells, solar lamps are applications of the dash energy of the sun. The solar cooker is going to use the heat energy of the sun, and the solar cells, solar lamps are going to use the light energy of the sun. E. One laborer carried 4 pans of road metal through a distance of 100 meters. If he carries 2 pans of road metal through a 200-meter distance, dash work will be done. So the answer is equal, children, because he is carrying 4 pans through a distance of 100 meters. And when he is carrying 2 pans, means half of this, the distance is getting doubled. Means it is almost the same. Here if it is getting half, in the other place it is getting doubled. So equal work will be done. F. The capacity that an object has for doing work is called dash. The answer is energy. Next one, children, match the pairs. Group A and Group B. Rolling object. The answers are marked here, children. Is having kinetic energy because it is moving. Second one, food is having chemical energy, and our body is converting this chemical energy into muscular energy, sound energy, many different types. Stretched bow is having potential energy because you are changing the state of the substance, children. Any object is having potential energy when you change the state of the substance or when you change the position of the substance. It depends on the state and position. Sunlight is having heat energy. Uranium is having atomic energy. Next one. When can we say that displacement has taken place? When an object moves from one place to another, it changes its position, and then we say that displacement has taken place. So children, the object must move. Then only we will say that the displacement has taken place. If the object is not moving, there is no displacement. No displacement takes place when we are pushing a wall, because there the object, which was the wall, has not moved. B. What should be taken into account for measuring work? For measuring work, both force and displacement must be considered. You must consider the force and displacement both. These are very important. How much force you have applied and how much the object has moved. how much the displacement has taken place. See, what are the various forms of energy? These are the 6 forms of energy given to us. Mechanical energy, light energy, chemical energy, heat energy, sound energy, and electrical energy. So these are the various forms of energy given to us. D. Describe one natural chain of transformation of energy. There are 3 chains given here, children. We have to explain just one. When plants prepare food, they convert light energy into chemical energy. The plants are preparing food and they are converting the light energy into chemical energy. When herbivorous animals eat plants and perform their tasks, chemical energy is converted into muscular energy. All these living things are getting energy from the plants. So this is one simple chain in which the light energy of the sun is converted into chemical energy converted into muscular energy in all these cases. Why should we save energy? We should save energy because a lot of time and nature's resources are spent on creating that energy. Yes, nature is spending a lot of time and resources. We need to take care of the ever increasing demands due to population explosion, because the population is increasing tremendously and continuously. We have to take care of the energy also. Excessive use of energy resources leads to imbalance in nature. When you are overusing the things, children, when you are using too much, nature cannot give things at such a fast rate, at such a fast speed. Next one, F. What is green energy? The energy resources which do not produce smoke and carbon gases such as carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide are called green energy resources. Renewable energy resources come under green energy. All these renewable energy resources, children, are coming under the green energy. Greater use of such resources is the need of the hour. Yes, we need to use more and more such type of resources, so we do not create a lot of pollution and we do not harm the environment. Example, solar energy, wind energy. There are more examples. We have just taken 2. This is a beautiful picture, children, of green energy, and these are a few forms of green energy. There are many more in this category. G. What are the non-conventional energy resources? A similar question, children, because non-conventional energy resources, renewable energy resources, green energy resources are almost the same. Non-conventional energy resources are the resources which have not been traditionally used. These are the new forms of energy which we have started using from some years. We are not using them from million years. They are inexhaustible and continuous. They can be used again and again. Yes, children, most of these energy resources are continuous and they are not going to get exhausted. They are not going to get over. We can use them continuously again and again. Example, wind energy, solar energy, tidal energy, etc. H. Which forms of energy from the sun are used in solar energy devices? Which forms of energy are we using in solar appliances, children? Let us see. Heat energy of the sun is used in solar cookers, solar water heaters, etc. This is the solar cooker, children, and this one is a solar water heater. Light energy of the sun is used in solar cell panels. This is a solar cell panel. A single cell is called a solar cell and a combination of many cells is a solar cell panel. Next, why should we maximize the use of non-conventional energy resources? Why should we use them more and more? We should maximize the use of non-conventional energy resources because They are inexhaustible and can be used again and again. The reserves of conventional energy resources are reducing. Yes, children. Which are conventional energy resources? Coal, petrol, diesel. These are conventional energy resources and they are getting over day by day. That is why we have to switch to some other types of energy resources. They create less disturbance and pollution to nature. This is very important. They are not disturbing nature. They are not polluting the nature. So we should use non-conventional energy resources. Question number 4. Who is the odd one out? Diesel, crude oil, natural gas and wind. All these are conventional energy resources, children. Wind will be the odd man out. Wind is odd man out because it is a non-conventional energy resource, or you can say renewable energy resource. A running car, hauling a log, hauling means pulling, children, a book kept on a table, picking up the school bag. Which is the odd man out of these four? A book kept on a table is odd man out because it is stable and has potential energy. Running car is moving, it is having kinetic energy. Hauling a log, you are pulling a log, there also the log is moving. Picking up the school bag, you are picking up, there also some action is taking place, but the book is stable, there is no movement, no action in this case. Sunlight, wind, waves, petrol. Of course, petrol is the odd man out because it is a conventional energy resource, or you can say non-renewable energy resource, because conventional and non-renewable means the same. Leaving the fan on in a vacant room, leaving the TV on while working, using AC during winter. Oh, we can never do this. Putting off the light when going out. Putting off the light when going out is the odd man out because this is the only good habit, children. Because it is the only good habit. Rest all are bad habits, children. Why should we leave the fan on? We should not leave the TV on also. And why do we need AC during winter? Next one, find out the types of energy from the following puzzle. So children, here SOLAR, solar, one type of energy. When you see vertical this way, you have solar, sound, heat, wind and light. And when you see across horizontally, you have potential and kinetic. So children, here we complete with the question answers of this lesson. I hope that you all have understood all the question answers. If you feel my videos are helpful, then do give a like, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share it with your friends so that they are also benefited with these videos and they also get some help in their studies. Thank you for watching till the end.